What's up everyone? I've got another box. It's in the kitchen, but first I'm just going to give an update on what's going on with Depop. So, two weeks ago I said that I wanted to make about 1,000 sales before the end of this lockdown. It's currently the 26th of January, so we've probably got another month left. And I'm on 680 sales, so we've got 320 to go. But we've made probably 60 odd sales this month, which is pretty big for me, like 65 sales. And it's just, I don't know if you can see behind me, but these are all the packages. They're all going out today. It's been fast, it's been good, the stock's flowing. Everyone's gonna kill me for this, but I've got another mystery box. I know everyone says mystery boxes aren't worth it, but they're quite fun. To be honest, they're quite fun. I enjoy opening them. I've always profited from them, even though if it's little bits. But yeah, I'm gonna go and start opening. Also, right before I start, I've been buying and I've not been selling. I've been buying on Vinted quite a bit, and I'm looking into doing Esooko. Spoke to a few people about it. It's a new one. It's 2%. They take 2% from whatever you sell, but something like £1 per sale goes to planting a tree. So I've set up an account on both. I've bought from Vinted, never sold on Vinted, but I've heard good things. So next few weeks I'm gonna roll out on eBay, Depop. I'm already on Depop, Vinted, and Esooko. I'm gonna dig a bit more deeper into Esooko because there's nothing about it. So I might make a few videos on it, I might not. We'll see what happens. But first things first, the mystery box. So, wait, let me get there. So we've gone for, you know the ones, Polo Vintage Wholesale. Again, this is their 10 kilo box. They're doing a sale at the minute. Pretty good sale. It's £12 per kilo, which is not too bad actually for what you get. I forgot how many items I got, but it works out £3 to £4 per item. So yeah, we're gonna go. Here's the setup. We've got a nice Liverpool shirt, we've got a nice Puma track jacket, we've got a Nike sweatshirt, and we've got a Reebok. And here's my outhouse with my rucksack. I'm gonna crack on. Right, we all know how it goes now. We get a knife, we cut it open, and we pluck out some crap clothes and some good clothes. So, about £3 an item, roughly. But we'll see what we get. In the last box, so I got a 10 kilo box from the last time, and I got an Adidas sweatshirt that sold for £45. And I've pretty much doubled my money on that box already. So I've got slightly higher hopes than I did with the t-shirt box, because the t-shirt box was just a pile of crap really. So it feels heavier, it feels heavy. They normally start with good things. I should have flipped it actually. It's like you get like flannel shirts at the bottom and good stuff on the top usually. But we're going in. I'm excited. First things first. Oh, on the floor. Nice. We've got a Nike track jacket in navy blue and white, and it's quite an old tag, I think. I need to start looking at tags. It's for all you Nike people, red and black. I think means good usually. But that's pretty nice that actually. Got a little Nike tag on the back as well. Take that all day. Alright. Next we've got Adidas. Nice, this is pretty good actually already. Big back print as well. Take that all day. I've started selling track jackets at about £30 usually. So that's probably 50, 60 quid if you can get a decent sale. Depends how quick you want to sell. Oh wow, we've got some polo shirts. I hate polo shirts. Calvin Klein, not very vintage, but they sell well on eBay. Or maybe it's Esooko, or maybe Vinted. Who knows? What the hell? I've never seen a Nike polo with that logo before. I think it's is it tennis? It might be tennis. I love this logo like so much. So it's dry fit, so it's some form of sport. We'll take that. We'll take that. We'll take the next thing as well. Grey tag, spell out, like take that all day. We like the big spell outs. Everyone loves the big spell outs at the minute. They're so big in the minute. It's actually crazy. But the t-shirts not so much as the sweatshirts. But it's pretty much the same as that, but it's nice. We'll take that all day. Next up, we have a big feeler spell out, black t-shirt. Pretty basic. Probably looking at 15 quid or something for that. So there's a lot of t-shirts, which normally is quite good with Kilo, because you get a lot more clothes. Unless it's modern like this. God, you should have been in the last box. Right, moving on. Maroon Nike t-shirt. Pretty basic spell out, 10-15 quid for that. We've probably made, not yet. We've not yet made the money back. But we're getting there, slowly but surely. Got a pretty nice colour Ralph Lauren actually. I hate getting Ralph Lauren shirts because they don't really sell for much anymore, but it's nice, it's really thick, and I've not seen this colour pattern before. So we'll take that. If it's my size, I might even keep it. Got Tommy's, we've got Lacoste's, we've got so much stuff actually. This might actually be cheaper than £3 per kilo. £3 per kilo? £3 per item. Lacoste short sleeved shirt. I'm actually stocking up for summer at the minute. I'm buying bum bags, I'm buying t-shirts, I'm buying caps and all the kind of summery stuff. I'm already getting in England football shirts, Euros. Little tip for you. Check Tommy Hilfiger short sleeve shirt, 15-20 quid on that probably. It's really nice colour again. Like, I've actually got some decent stuff so far. The next shirt is funky. Well, not the next one, the one after this is funky. But we got another Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Yeah. Tommy Hilfigers are solid, you know. You're getting 15 quid a shirt, 20 quid if it's nice. So we'll take them all day, every day. Oh, hello. Speaking of summer stock, man, look at this. Check this out. I've never heard of this brand though. Cotton Style, but that is such a nice, this is mine. I'm keeping this. I love, in summer, I love a funky shirt. And check this out. It does not get funkier than that. Oh my god. Look at the pattern. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Speaking of weird funky shirts. Oh wow. There's actually a seller on Depop who pretty much sells nothing but these. And I bought 2 off him for a festival 2 years ago. So they're really light. It's like, is it silk? It might be silk. It might be, it might not be. But they're so light and they packed in nothing, and it's just, they're so good for festivals. Right, that's the funky shirts out of the way. I'm pretty happy so far. Apart from the CK, yeah, the CK polo and a couple of t-shirts. But other than that, we are solid. Alright, we've got Adidas track jacket again. Back print, 20 quid all day. So we're coming up, I might have to do a price list of this. There's a guy on YouTube and he does a little price list like here, but it must take so long to do. It's like, yeah, this is worth this is worth that. And I'd love to do that, but I'd rather just speak. Another Adidas, that's like a casual football kind of, not neck, turtleneck, kind of turtleneck jacket, a proper, Millwall away kind of jacket. Alright, we're getting to the jumpers now. Come on, give me a Nike print out. What you got? What is that? Oh, it is Nike. Just Do It Nike. Just a hoodie. The Just Do It stuff is not the best, but Nike hoodies do sell. So it's a size large. Probably another 20 quid on that as well. Got a Adidas hoodie. Big Adidas print hoodie. Not convinced with that logo whatsoever. Yeah, I don't think that's real, but it's still quite nice. It's just a print. Yeah. eBay job, £5. Wow, Man, we have so much stuff. This feels like more. I can't remember how much we got. So £3 into 120. How many is that? Is that 40? Fucking 40, 369. I can't even do maths. I can't do maths quick. Puma jacket, all over print with a gold logo. All the track jackets, 15 to 20 quid. So we're touching our money back now, and we've still got a few things to go. We've got a black Nike Air Max. What even is that? Jacket, I guess. Gym jumper? I don't know. But it's all black and it's Nike. Right, we're coming down to the last 6 things. Deutsche Fußball, black Adidas German football jacket. Take that. There's some really nice versions of this. Like that badge with like old school Adidas jackets. They're so cool. But I don't have one. This looks nice. This is really nice actually. Adidas training track jacket. All their track jackets today, there must be a clearance on them. That looks pretty old. We'll take that. It's quite nice. So we're looking at 20 quid, so we need 6 things to sell to get our money back, and we've probably got 20 items. That is massive, man. What is this? XXL, jeez. Nike hoodie. It's just a Nike hoodie. Nothing too special about it. The first few things were the best. They always are. And I'm surprised I've not got any check shirts in this yet. What are you playing at, pre-loved? Where are my check shirts at? Puma hoodie. Take that all day, 15, 20 quid again. They've thrown in some joggers. I didn't get any joggers in the last one. What's this? Yellow Adidas. Are they girls? UK 14. They're pretty cool. Don't really see them in baby yellow. Is that a thing? Is baby yellow a thing? Yeah, we'll take them. I don't actually know how much joggers and stuff go for, so I need to look at them. And then last, but probably least, Lacoste joggers. Lacoste. I think size large, size XL by the looks of it. Double XL. US. So what's double XL? I don't know. But there we go. There we have it. End of box opening. Some really good shop fillers in there actually. Really good. I've made, how much have we made this month? So we've made, coming up to about £1,000 this month, and we spent 400-500 on random boxes. So we're doing alright, We've still got loads of stock left. I'm just going to quickly count these up and then do some maths, figure out how much it is per item. So this box were £120 for 10 kilos of clothes, and we got some really nice stuff. So we've got 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
My bloody camera cut out, didn't it? So we got 26 items, which comes to about £4.20, £4.30. Easy got 20-30 quid for some of them, 15 quid for a lot, £10 for some of the rest. It's decent. It keeps the shop ticking, do you know what I mean? And I was saying at the end before the camera decided to stop working, next few videos are either going to be what I've sold this month. Hopefully I'm going to get that filmed on 30th of January. Show you what I've sold and how much I've made, how much profit, all that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to delve into the life of Esooko, and Vinted and all that kind of stuff, because I know there's not much about Esooko, and I'm quite intrigued by it, and I kind of really want to support them because of what they're doing. So yeah, I'm going to look into literally build from scratch on that. It's going to set up shop and start uploading and then see what happens on it. But other than that, we're all good for today. We are finished. 26 items, £4 something each. It's a decent box. Easy money to be made there. Probably double, triple the box and keep a couple of the funky shirts. But yeah, catch you next time. Make sure you subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff, because it's quite nice seeing it grow. So yeah, goodbye.